Hello there, health-conscious viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey that explores the remarkable synergy between nature and nutrition. Join us as we uncover the potent potential of foods that are known to harness the power of nature in the fight against cancer. I'm your guide, and together, we're about to discover a world of delicious possibilities that contribute to our well-being. Let's dive right in. The role of nutrition in cancer prevention. To kick things off, let's delve into the importance of nutrition in cancer prevention. We'll explore how certain foods, rich in specific nutrients and antioxidants, can bolster our body's defenses and contribute to a healthier, more resilient you. Cruciferous champions: broccoli, cauliflower, and kale. Meet the cruciferous heroes. Broccoli, cauliflower, and kale take the spotlight in this segment. We'll uncover the cancer-fighting compounds within these veggies and how they play a role in safeguarding our health. Berry bounty: blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Berries aren't just delicious, they're packed with antioxidants and phytochemicals that have been linked to cancer prevention. From blueberries to strawberries and raspberries, we explore the vibrant world of these juicy defenders. Green tea magic. Green tea isn't just a soothing beverage, it's a powerhouse of polyphenols, including epigallocatechin gallate EGCG, which boasts impressive antioxidant and potential cancer-fighting properties. Garlic and onions, nature's warriors. The humble garlic and onions possess more than just flavor, they're rich in sulfur compounds that have shown promise in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and supporting overall health. Tomatoes and lycopene. Tomatoes steal the spotlight with their lycopene content, a powerful antioxidant that's believed to play a role in reducing the risk of certain cancers, including prostate cancer. Colorful powerhouses: carrots and sweet potatoes. Vibrant and nutritious, carrots and sweet potatoes bring beta-carotene to the table, a nutrient that's associated with a lower risk of certain types of cancer. The magic of mushrooms. Mushrooms aren't just a culinary delight, they offer unique compounds that have been studied for their potential anti-cancer properties, making them a fascinating addition to our list. Nuts and seeds, omega-3 rich allies. Nuts and seeds, especially flax seeds and walnuts, provide a dose of omega-3 fatty acids that may have protective effects against certain cancers. Berries bounty: pomegranates and grapes. Berries take the spotlight once again, this time with pomegranates and grapes. These fruits offer antioxidants like anthocyanins and resveratrol, which have garnered attention for their potential cancer-fighting properties. As we wrap up this journey through the world of foods that fight against cancer, remember that your plate can be a powerful tool in supporting your health. If you're excited about embracing the power of nature's bounty, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, share your thoughts in the comments section, and subscribe to my channel for more enlightening content that empowers you to make informed and healthful choices. Until next time, keep savoring the goodness that nature provides and nourish your body, mind, and spirit.